Today's movie review is Event Horizon. In the realm of science fiction horror, Event Horizon stands as a curious blend of ambition and execution. Directed by Paul W.S. Anderson and released in 1997, the film attempts to weave a tale of cosmic dread and psychological terror. Set in the year 2047, the story follows a rescue mission led by Captain Miller, played by Laurence Fishburne, to investigate the reappearance of the starship Event Horizon, which vanished 7 years prior. Accompanying the crew is Dr. Weir, played by Sam Neill, the scientist behind the ship's experimental gravity drive. The film opens with a promising setup, showcasing detailed space vessels and a haunting atmosphere reminiscent of classics like 2001: A Space Odyssey. The visual design is striking, with the Event Horizon itself resembling a Gothic cathedral adrift in space. The ship's corridors are filled with eerie shadows and unsettling noises, creating a sense of foreboding that draws viewers in. However, as the narrative unfolds, Event Horizon struggles to maintain its initial intrigue. The plot, while rich with potential, often feels derivative, borrowing elements from films like Solaris and Alien. The crew's exploration of the ship reveals gruesome sights, blood-stained walls, dismembered bodies, and hallucinations that prey on their deepest fears. These moments, though visually arresting, lack the depth needed to elevate the film beyond its surface-level shocks. The performances are a mixed bag. Laurence Fishburne delivers a solid portrayal of the stoic Captain Miller, while Sam Neill's Dr. Weir oscillates between intrigue and melodrama. The supporting cast, including Kathleen Quinlan and Jolie Richardson, add layers to the ensemble, but their characters often fall into predictable horror tropes. One of the film's strengths lies in its special effects, which remain impressive even by today's standards. The depiction of the gravity drive, a swirling mass of metal rings, is both mesmerizing and menacing. Yet, the film's reliance on visual spectacle sometimes overshadows its narrative coherence. The rules of the universe seem to shift with each scene, leaving viewers with more questions than answers. Event Horizon also grapples with scientific accuracy, a common challenge in science fiction. While it attempts to ground its story in plausible technology, it occasionally falters, particularly in its portrayal of sound in space and the mechanics of the gravity drive. These inconsistencies may distract discerning viewers, but they do little to diminish the film's overall atmosphere of unease. Ultimately, Event Horizon is a film that lingers in the mind, not for its storytelling prowess, but for its ability to evoke a visceral reaction. It is a cinematic experience that, despite its flaws, manages to unsettle and disturb. For fans of the genre, it offers a glimpse into a dark and twisted vision of the future, where the boundaries of space and sanity are perilously thin. Well, that's my review of Event Horizon, and I'm giving it 2.5 stars out of 5. Thank you for listening. If you liked this review, please like, subscribe, and it will be great to see you next time.